Good morning. I am vlogging on my new camera. Wow, it is making me look deathly. My eyes look so sunken in, but I gotta move past that because I got a lot of things to do today. Hopefully the audio is good. I'm still trying to get used to this camera. Like I pretended to kind of like do some, what? That made no sense. I was testing, that sounds a lot better. I was testing this camera and like vlogging with it, but nothing that like I'm obviously gonna use, just to kind of get used to the weight and everything, I guess. So yeah, so I am up super early this morning and I need to go to Dollar Tree. Oh, my eyes. But yeah, just threw on a hat, and this is actually the Shein sweater, so I probably need to do like my try on, which would probably be, I don't know when I'm gonna do that video. But so far I really love this top. It's the first one that I've put on. Anyway, so we're gonna go head off to Dollar Tree. I don't know how much I'm going to vlog, but I am gonna take this camera, so we'll see how it feels to have a camera in public rather than an iPhone. An iPhone just looks a lot more natural, and I may still end up using my iPhone for going out. But yeah, doesn't matter, you don't care. But I'm gonna go ahead and head off to Dollar Tree. Here is gonna be the quick overview. Mac and cheese, makeup wipes, my Dunkin' Donuts original blend. These are the cookies I love, coffee, bananas, and then I got some new vitamins. I have, what is this one? Calcium, yeah. This is I was like, I knew I picked specific ones, so calcium. I ran out of B12. I got some iron, vitamin K, folic acid, vitamins. I'm just trying to really, introduce a lot of this stuff to my body. I shouldn't be doing this late in life, but it is what it is. Okay, so Pringles, Pirate's Booty. I just wanted this snack. It's like one of my favorite little snacks. These are for like sandwiches. This is for breakfast, sandwiches, bread, school stuff. This is like what she has in the morning. School stuff. I'm gonna make carbonara, so I got that. It's the one dish that I only allow myself to have like once a month. So this is gonna be my January for that. Applesauce. And then I'm gonna be making chili. I think I'm making that tomorrow. But I got peppers, green, red, yellow bell peppers, broccoli, toilet paper, and then over here I have chicken tenders, which I'm gonna fry up, which I've done on my channel multiple times. Excuse me. I got mild cheddar cheese, crescent rolls, prosciutto, Sprite, ginger ale, Gatorade. This is for the chili. Strawberry, blueberry, blackberries, Honeycrisp apples. This is for the crescent rolls for breakfast, just like little pigs in a blanket kind of thing. And then this is for the carbonara tonight, so I'm making spaghetti tonight.